King of Toe Crew channel came around and picked up the front cut of one of the spare Cortinas I had for his build. If you haven't checked out his channel, King of Toe Crew, if you like cars built on a budget and road tripped, then it's definitely a channel for you to check out. The girls hit it off, so ever since they dropped by, Lexi's been bugging me about making more videos, and because apparently I have a boring voice, she decided she was going to take over. So without much ado, over to her episode for today. See you later.
Today we're working on the Cortina, and the muffler has a big hole in it. Come see. See? There's a big hole in it. And we're taking this clip out here. There's a spider on it.
Okay, do you want to shine the torch? Say that again.
There's a clip here and we need to take it out. So yeah.
What? What?
We're not ready. I can smell the spider thing. Turn it off. We're just waiting for the spider killer to kill any spiders. So we're working on my dad's car today, and it's dusty. We're going to play a little game with the Cortina.
What game?
Who spots the dust? Whoever spots the dust gets to look underneath first. So who can spot the dust? Me. I can see this dust. Come and look at the car now. That's the tray for if the car leaks. And my dad has still not put any ties on that one or that one over there. And my dad has to fix this handle and fix that scratch. Oh, I step over this. We'll go that way. And I already told you about the dust one. And these are a spidey webs thing. Come look inside it. Look inside this. Come in. Look at the back. Dad, can I show them how it beeps?
No, there's no battery in it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, and this is the lever. Up, down, to the side, and yeah.
See on the top?
Huh?
It's got numbers on the top, numbers and letters.
Oh yeah.
You see that? What does it say?
All right. Forward is 1. Back is 2. This way is...
Hang on, let me come around.
This is the brake. This is the
Clutch.
clutch. This is the footrester.
No. Accelerator.
Accelerator.
Show me the gears.
What is? So forward is 1. Down is 2. This way.
Go up halfway. Yep, now across. We're going to do this job now?
What job? Yes.
Oh, let's go.
Raven. What's your princess? Good gear.
No spiders. Let's kill them.
What if we haven't?
Then we'll kill them. What are you scared of?
I don't want to on the there today.
Do you want me to do it in
Are
the
you
hole?
filming?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want you to do it.
Oh. It's good having your company.
Thanks. Dad,
Yeah.
these glasses look kinda like your glasses.
Yeah, they're very similar.
Hello again. Thank you for watching our show. We'll be back and keep watching car shows from us. Goodbye.